How to change name in Knives Out. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to change your in-game name in Knives Out, you can do it in a few simple steps. In order to change your name, you'll need a name change card or rename item. So if you have that, you can easily change your in-game name. First of all, launch open the Knives Out game on your device, and once you're in this lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. You'll then come across this page where you'll need to tap the pencil icon at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Personal Information. Now, click the pencil button at the top where your username or your name is available, and now enter your new name in the text box. Once you are done typing in your name, click on OK. Make sure that the name matches the criteria in the game. Go ahead and write down the name that suits you, and once you do that, the available name will be changed. If you try to change your name for the first time after creating an account, you can do it for free, but if you want to change your name again for the second time, you'll need to go ahead and use the rename card. You can also buy the rename card whenever you want by clicking the buy button in the shop. Select the number of rename card you'd like to purchase and it will cost you 90 vouchers. So after you do that, you will be able to purchase your rename card as well. So right there you have successfully changed your in-game name in Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.